Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making juicy and flavorful oven baked spicy chicken drumsticks. I make chicken drumstick recipe often, so I always look for ways to make them more interesting. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. In a small bowl, combine turmeric, curry powder, black pepper, paprika, white pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes. Give it a good mix. That's gonna be the rub for the chicken, guys. I have the chicken already washed and dried. Sprinkle the seasoning blend and rub it into the chicken. Add garlic powder along with olive oil and mix everything together. The spices are simple and you are likely already have them in your cabinet, guys. Place the chicken onto a greased baking sheet. Then bake the drumsticks at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Guys, my baked spicy chicken drumstick recipe is simple enough that anyone can make it, and it creates juicy chicken, crispy skin. You are going to love this one, guys. The chicken is out of the oven, guys. Baked chicken drumsticks are the easiest way to get dinner on the table quickly. The skin crisps up in the oven. The seasoning is simple and perfect. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.